winner never stops trying. Count your blessing instead of your problems. Life is a challenge. Meet it. Everything happens for a reason. The ones who takes risk are the ones rewarded. A life without cause, a life without effect. Never regret what once made you smile. Before you react, think. Before you quite try. We go through the world to get to the best. If you had losing, stop giving up. Never look back unless you are planning to go there.